Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn your boring Windows computer into something like this. So further ado, let's get started. So in order to change our computer into liquid glass, we will follow three simple steps. On the first step, open up your browser and download this Windhawk application. Just click on the download option, click on save and install this application like any other application you have always installed. After installing that, now in the second step we will need to make our file manager transparent. For that, minimize this from here and go to the official website of this GitHub. Now you can see the Explorer Blur Mica. Scroll down, then you will see the releases option which is showing the latest version. Just click on it. Scroll down a bit, then we will see the release x64 zip. Don't select any other option from here, just select it. After downloading this, just open this folder from here. Now right click on your mouse and extract this file. Then you will see the release option here. And now just select the register option, double click on it, click on OK, and we are good to go. And as you can see, our File Explorer is already transparent. Now minimize this application. Now we will need a Windows wallpaper to turn our computer into liquid glass. For that, just download any of this wallpaper according to your taste or your aesthetics. I have already applied this on my computer. Now on the third step, we will head back to Windhawk application. And from here, we will click on the browse for modes option. And now select the Windows 11 taskbar styler. Click on the details option and click on simply install option here. Accept the risk and install and go to the settings. And now it will ask us to select the theme. Select the none option to scroll down and window glass. Click on save setting and instantly our taskbar turns into liquid glass. So after installing this, head back. And now we will need to adjust our height and icon size. For that, select the taskbar height and icon size, go to the details and install this. Accept the risk and you are good to go. Now go to the settings and adjust the size according to your needs. So I'm just giving this 60. Adjust it. I'm giving this 30 and I'm leaving all of this as it is. And now we will need to transparent our start manager. For that, Windows 11 Start Menu Styler, go on the details, install it like other applications. Go to the settings. Here we will have to select the, as you can see, Windows Glass for redesign start menu. Just click on it and click on the save option. And if we click on the start menu here, it is also transparent. Now head back again to the Windhawk and scroll back. And now we will select the Windows 11 notification styler. Select it. Install it again. Go to the settings and select the window glass option here and click on the save. Now if we click on the notification center, we can see it is also transparent. So this is how you can make your computer look very cool and aesthetic according to your taste and your need. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more tech tutorials like this. See you in the next video.